Bitcoin dips below $26,000, Ether stays above $1,600. Reliance to explore blockchain platforms and CBDCs, says Mukesh Ambani. Robinhood revealed to be third largest Bitcoin holder with $3 billion in BTC. Crocs reveals Doodle shoes inspired by NFT brand. South Korean crypto exchange is required to hold minimum reserves starting September. Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading mixed in the beginning of the week, absorbing after effects of last week's sharp sell-off and hawkish Fed comment. Bitcoin hovered around the crucial $26,000 levels. Manoj Dhara joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
So, IC15 index for cryptocurrency was trading lower by 0.6% at 34,000 points. In an interesting news, with choppy action following Powell's remark at the Kansas City's Fed annual Jackson Hole Symposium, stock and the bond prices also sank last week before a turnaround which pushed both modestly higher. So according to the CME FedWatch tool, there was a possibility of a 54.5% chances that the Fed rate will increase by the mid-November. Investors also took a cue from analyst reports that suggested the cryptocurrency market is likely to stabilize in the near term. The JP Morgan Chase report attributes its outlook to a decline in the open interest in the CME Bitcoin futures contract, which is usually a signal weakening price trend. The global cryptocurrency market cap was hovering around $1 trillion mark, dropping 0.6% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume increased about 28% to $19 billion. Moving on, Phoenix International has acquired Ethereum tokens worth $19.9 million. The investment is in line with the company's plans to expand its business operations and diversify its revenue sources. Meanwhile, last week, the US Treasury Department proposed a new cryptocurrency tax rules. Starting in 2026, crypto exchanges will have to submit annual reports on 1,099 forms to the IRS taxpayers showing gross proceedings from the transactions. In 2027, the companies will be required to report how much customers paid for the digital assets or the other cost basis. That's what they have to follow. Elsewhere, the altcoins such as Binance, Cardano, Solana, and others are seen gaining traction. However, Ripple's XRP continue to trend lower. Stock futures rose slightly to kick off the final trading week of the August. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.24%, while S&P 500 futures and the Nasdaq 100 futures gained 0.16% and 0.13% respectively. If we talk about the largest cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin, was trading at $25,920, down by 0.5%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was also trading lower by 0.5%, trading at $1,640. If we talk about the others altcoin, on my left was Binance BNB, were trading lower by 0.4% at $216. Next on the list was Solana Sol, was down by 0.2% at $20.4. Next was Cardano's ADA token, was down by 1.3% to trade at $0.26. Avalanche FX was next, trading lower by 1.4% at $10. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 1.7% at $0.062. Next was Shiba Inu, was trading lower by 2.2%. Ripple's XRP token, as we have already mentioned, was trading lower by 2.2% at $0.51. Polkadot was down by 1.7% to trade at $4.5. However, Polygon Matic was seen trading higher by 0.7% at $0.55.
Thanks, Manoj. And now back to the headlines. Reliance Industries Limited is entering the world of blockchain and central bank digital currencies. Its chairman and Asia's richest man, Mukesh Ambani, announced on Monday. Ambani's Reliance ventured into the financial sector through its new financial services entity, Jio Financial Services, launched earlier this month. The development received further momentum with the announcement that BlackRock would be a partner. JFS will consolidate its payment infrastructure with the ubiquitous offering for both consumers and merchants, further driving digital adoption for India, Ambani said. JFS products will not just compete with current industry benchmarks, but also explore path-breaking features such as blockchain-based platforms and CBDC. They will adhere to the highest standards of security, regulatory norms, and ensure protection of customer transaction data at all times. Ambani's Reliance has been one of the most important players in India's digital growth story, and its latest foray into CBDCs and blockchain was declared during the company's biggest event of the year, the annual general meeting. Investing and trading platform Robinhood holds over $3 billion in Bitcoin in a single wallet that attracted the holdings over several months, wallet data from Arkham Intelligence shows. This makes it the third largest Bitcoin holder behind crypto exchanges Binance and Bitfinex, which hold $6.4 billion and $4.3 billion worth of tokens on single wallets, respectively. Robinhood transferred some 118,300 Bitcoin to the wallet from several other smaller wallets over a 3-month period, data shows. These tokens are custodied by crypto trading firm Chum Trading. Robinhood has not publicly commented on these holdings. Web3 lifestyle and entertainment brand Doodles has joined forces with Crocs, a global leader in casual footwear, in a partnership to merge the physical and digital realms. Doodles and Crocs will release a product lineup that combines traditional fashion with modern technology on August 29. Spearheading the collection is a set of exclusive Doodles and Crocs classic clogs and accompanying gibbets charms crafted by Burnt Toast, the co-founder of Doodles. Each Doodles and Crocs classic clog bundle comes with a redeemable Crocs box digital collectible. Buyers will acquire a Crocs box digital collectible with every purchase of the Doodles and Crocs classic clog bundle. Upon opening this collectible, the owner will gain access to 2 Doodles wearables and a beta pass, offering them early entry to Doodles Studio, an immersive platform for tailoring and creating Doodles characters. Doodles holders will get a discounted price of $99, and the price will be $120 for non-holders. The Korea Federation of Banks will soon mandate that South Korean cryptocurrency exchanges with real name accounts hold a minimum reserve fund. Based on reports, exchanges that support transactions between the Korean won and cryptocurrencies will have to comply with the new reserve requirements starting in September. According to local reports, starting next month, cryptocurrency exchanges must hold reserves ranging from 3 billion to 20 billion won, worth around $2.2 to $15 million. As part of these guidelines, exchanges must maintain either 30% of their daily average deposits or at least $2 million in reserve, whichever is greater. In addition to the reserve requirement, the guidelines will enforce stronger Know Your Customer or KYC norms and rules for fund transfers. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have Litecoin. Litecoin, based on the Bitcoin protocol, is seeing a rise in its utility for payments. The Litecoin Foundation, a non-profit organization overseeing the development and support of Litecoin, draws attention to this fact that in a recent post on X, formerly known as Twitter. However, LTC is trading at near $65, down 1.15% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $4 billion. Litecoin has experienced a 50% increase in usage on BitPay, a crypto payment processor that supports over 16 cryptocurrencies including stablecoins. Litecoin is second only to Bitcoin in preferred cryptocurrencies for payment. In July, Litecoin accounted for 34.05% of BitPay's payment count, while Bitcoin made up 36.47%. The Litecoin network recently reached 175 million transactions, indicating growth, with over 46 million transactions in 2022. Next on the list, we have Hedera. Decentralized application Hedera's token increased 16% as a result of Drop's integration with FedNow, which prepared the new way for Boro Finance's groundbreaking NFT and fundraising marketplace and fueled institutional confidence in the cryptocurrency field. Boro Finance, an AI-powered NFT marketplace, is revolutionizing the Web3 ecosystem by bridging the gap between creators and investors. by tokenizing future recurring revenues and offering collectors the opportunity to invest in cool NFTs minted by blockchain startups. Boro Finance aims to transform the way content creators and market participants raise funds. Boro Finance has gained investor and institutional attention, with the pre-sale stage in full swing and the token priced at $0.0125 per ROE. The successful beta stage is sold out at $0.01 per token, showcasing Boro's vision and potential. Hedera was trading at $0.05 down, near 4% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $1 billion. Next on the list, we have XRP. Western Union, a global money transfer company, is entering the rapidly evolving cryptocurrency market, marking a strategic move in its financial landscape. With a history of a seamless cross-border transactions, the company demonstrates its commitment to the innovation and adaptability in the ever-changing financial ecosystem. CEO Hikmet Erskek announced that Western Union is exploring integrating Ripple's blockchain technology with its native digital asset XRP. Ripple has been testing various solutions including XRapid, which seamlessly integrates XRP into payment systems. This trend of embracing blockchain-based solutions for cross-border payments extends beyond Western Union, with the Saudi Arabian Monetary Authority implementing Ripple's blockchain software Xcurrent in its banking operations. Ripple has experienced a persistent upward trend with robust buying activity attributed to factors like bullish sentiment in the cryptocurrency market and positive news from partnerships with financial institutions. This momentum has led to a significant increase in XRP's value, showcasing its potential within the market. XRP's popularity in South Korea has also surged, as indicated by a recent survey indicating its preference among cryptocurrency enthusiasts. XRP was trading at $0.51 down, near 2% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $27 billion. Next on the list, we have ApeCoin. ApeCoin's price has fallen by almost 15% in the past week, making it the biggest loser among leading Metaverse-based projects, data from CoinMarketCap showed. The decline in Ape's price comes as the broader cryptocurrency market fell recently following the significant liquidity exit suffered in the Bitcoin futures market on 17th August. Ape's price has fallen by 12% in the last week, with the wallet holder losing around $1.5 million after buying 96,276 Ape at $21 on May 1st, 2022. The Metaverse token traded at $1.42, reflecting a decline in demand for the altcoin. The negative sentiment and drop in demand contribute to the decline in Ape's value. Into the block data shows a 61% drop in addresses making on-chain transactions involving Ape, while new demand for alts also decreased. The number of new addresses created daily to trade Ape decreased by 68%. This decline in active wallet count led to a 43% decline in daily Ape transactions executed between August 19th and 26th. ApeCoin was trading at $1.40, down 1.75% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $514 million. Last on the list, we have Shiba Inu. Dog-themed meme coin Shiba Inu recently relaunched its Layer 2 blockchain Shibarium. This release of the Layer 2 blockchain has pushed the BONE price upwards, recording new milestones for the token. Not only BONE, but a new coin X Shiba Inu is also trading 253% up today and was trading 188% up in the last 7 days. BONE Shiba Swap experienced a 17% price increase in the last 24 hours after Shibarium's official relaunch. The number of BONE addresses has risen to 90,000 and SHI burn rates are high. 68% of BONE holders are in a profitable position with potential gains, while 19% are struggling with losses. The remaining 13% are in a stable position, experiencing no profits or losses. However, BONE is trading at $1.32, down 4.20% in the last 24 hours. Not only BONE, but Shiba Inu is also trading 2.15% down. The Shiba Army has been anticipating Shibarium's release after the Ethereum Layer 2 solution got off to a rocky start. The Shibarium mainnet halted its operation for its first launch and has been undergoing reconfigurations and testing to bolster its network.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.